In this video, we see this truck speed on by, trying to squeeze in to make a left turn, and this driver lays on the horn for a long time, which causes this person to get upset and irritated and troll them a little bit more. I understand that this person was in the wrong. I understand the frustration, I think everybody does, but just let it go. It's not that big of a deal. This is in Texas as well. People carry guns over there, and some people nowadays are just trigger happy, they're having a bad day, and they're just looking for an excuse. So just let things go. It's not that big of a deal. And if you're a driver like this, just get in line. And if you're late, that's your fault. You should leave earlier, manage your time better. And if you're a driver in this car, just let it go. It's not that big of a deal. It's just one car that's gonna get in front of you. Had this person not laid on the horn, this person probably wouldn't have been so irritated and probably wouldn't have trolled them a bit more. So let's learn from these drivers and be safer, more responsible, and more patient.